live here?
You can certainly live
I want to
here.
live here. This is so much better than where I live.
I'm so happy you like it.
I
The digs.
love it. And what a housewarming. Everything feels like you
It's
know?
kind of cozy, huh?
Yeah.
And I like the sofas because they make you do the old back in the day lean.
That thing where,
That lean.
right, sometimes
Everybody
your just
looks good
feet go
like
up.
this.
Okay, I have a couple of housewarming presents.
I got a housewarming present? Yeah.
So those of us at
I'm
Good Morning
excited.
America
Yes?
went to one of the woodworkers in town and we said, burn this into a plaque for Rachel.
Oh, awesome. I love that.
And then I figured my dog now
Your
knows
dog?
that Isabeau is going to be going out with P. Diddy and all the really fancy people on town. So, you know, when clubbing.
Oh my God, Isabel, for clubbing. I love it, babe. Thank you so much. That is fabulous. All right, we decided we would swap favorite things today, like we would tell each other what some of our favorite things are. Yeah. So
I brought you something.
I see some things hanging out on the sofa. That's why
I know.
I'm like, I want to know
This is
what
like
that
a
is.
scavenger hunt back here. It's like sort of looking for my favorite things.
Classy Diane stuffed socks into our sofa.
I did. Because one of the things you want to do now, you want to pamper yourself, and particularly when you get to be my age, no more pain for beauty. No more pain ever.
Done with the paying of the beauty.
These are the thinnest socks of the world, and you keep them in your purse, and when you go to the movies, or when you go to a restaurant, and your feet are cold, you just take them out of your purse and you put them on, and you don't care what people think. Doesn't matter if you have on your famous shoes, which heaven knows we know you wear.
Off with the shoe, on with the big socks.
Right, you put your socks on
My
and
kind
put
of
your
girl.
shoes back. So I want to see you out there strutting around in these.
I will wear the big fluffy socks. Oh, that's another thing. Wait. I have to stop you because this is another thing I know about you that I think people would find surprising because you always look so put together. Who actually dresses you?
My sister dresses me, and she dresses me in despair because I always inevitably pick the wrong thing. I've got an absolute instinct for it, and so she puts little Post-it notes in my closet.
She's like your
She
own.
does.
You remember Garanimals from back in the day? She
true.
makes you like little Garanimals with Post-it notes.
She does, and they say, I know you want to wear this with that lavender ruffled thing.
Don't
but
do it.
Do not do it. Do not ever do it. Is that a sister to love?
That is a sister to love. That's a sister to love for sure.
But I want
Does
to
she
show
know
you
about the socks and you and out in public?
She knows.
She knows now.
She knows, and you know, I just put on sweatpants all the time. You want to know the saddest
I love the big baggy
sentence
pants too. I gotta
ever
say.
in romance?
What?
My husband said to me, this is true. My husband said to me not too long ago, could you just wear the nicer sweatpants today? Because we were going out someplace. Isn't that sad? Don't you want to go rescue him? But I want to show you this. This is a new invention.
This is another
I'm bringing you
favorite
to.
thing. Okay,
another
what is
favorite thing. Okay, so you're in the car, right?
Right.
You're heading to someplace and you're late, as we always are.
I'm always late. Are you late? Oh, that makes me feel
Always
so
late.
much better that somebody that looks as responsible as you
You
is
have your
always
lipstick,
late too.
right? It's night. You have your lipstick at night. It has a mirror on it. Okay, it has a mirror on it. Want to see something amazing? Push the end of it, and it's a flashlight. And it angles right at your lips. Do you see
Shut
this?
up!
I'm not kidding you.
Shut up!
In the back seat of the car, you can be talking in the complete dark over here, and it'll work perfectly. Isn't that amazing?
That is life-changing,
Don't
baby.
I think of you, girl?
That is amazing.
That's
I'm
for you.
stealing that. Give
That's
me
for you.
that.